This is the luxurious, all-electric Genesis GV60. Balancing performance and efficiency, the GV60 offers different drive modes for varying conditions. The Drive Mode button, located on the left side of your Genesis GV60 steering wheel, enables the driver to change the vehicle's performance according to various road conditions. Select the various drive modes by pressing the Drive Mode button on the steering wheel. Comfort mode is preset to automatically alternate between two-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, depending on the road condition. Eco mode helps improve energy efficiency by limiting the maximum power output of your vehicle. Additionally, the computer sets the drive configuration to two-wheel drive. Sport mode brings out the high-performance characteristics of the vehicle by firming up the steering and handling features. It also improves the motor response and sets the vehicle to drive in all-wheel drive mode. Note that the distance to empty range will decrease with the higher performance of Sport mode, and spirited driving will further decrease driving range. On Genesis GV60 performance trim models, there will be a button labeled Boost, equipped on the right side of the steering wheel. Pressing the button enables Boost mode, a 10-second duration driving mode which temporarily increases power and enables rapid acceleration. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.